Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Pro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to delete all channel messages on Discord. So go to Discord and from member list you can see there is a bot whose name is Me6. So it will help you to delete all your channel messages. So go to your text channel and type exclamation mark and then tap clear. Now if you want to delete one messages, then type 1, and if you want to delete all of your messages, then tap 100. Then it will delete all of your text on your server. So tap clear 1 and then send it, and see, Me6 deleted your one message. So this is how you can do it. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.